Right now, Hollywood is witnessing a bold, unprecedented move that could reshape the entire entertainment industry and even affect the stock market. David Ellison, the visionary producer behind hits like Top Gun: Maverick and Mission Impossible, has made a daring bid to take over Warner Brothers Discovery. Some experts call it risky, others call it genius. But here's the truth: this move could change the future of media, streaming, and investments forever. And if you ignore it, you might miss your chance to ride one of the biggest growth waves in entertainment history. So today, we'll break it all down: the people, the strategy, the market, and what it means for you. David Ellison, the risk taker. Most people wait for perfect timing. David Ellison doesn't. In his early 40s, Ellison has already produced some of the biggest films of the last decade. Top Gun: Maverick, a global blockbuster that redefined action cinema. Mission Impossible: Fallout, earning critical acclaim and massive box office revenue. Star Trek and Transformers franchises. He has a rare ability: seeing what could be, not just what is. Now, he's targeting a company many consider past its prime, Warner Brothers Discovery. Ellison's mindset is crucial for investors to understand. He looks for untapped potential, undervalued assets, and opportunities others overlook. And history shows this strategy works. Warner Brothers, a giant with wounds. Warner Brothers has been struggling. HBO Max faced subscriber confusion and branding issues. DC Universe films have underperformed despite fan demand. Massive corporate debt and frequent leadership changes. Declining investor confidence. Most people see red flags. Ellison sees opportunity. This is the classic principle of investing: buy when others are fearful, sell when others are greedy. Warner Brothers owns some of the most valuable intellectual properties in the world: DC Universe, Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Harry Potter and Wizarding World, Game of Thrones, and HBO's prestige content. For Ellison, these are not liabilities. They are hidden treasures waiting to be unlocked. The takeover plan. While insiders speculate, Ellison's plan might include revitalizing DC Universe, hiring creative leaders to rebuild franchises, boosting HBO and prestige content, leveraging award-winning series to attract global audiences, smart streaming strategy, prioritizing quality over quantity, building loyalty and global reach, financial restructuring, reducing debt, stabilizing finances, restoring investor confidence. Think of it this way: Ellison wants to transform Warner Brothers from chaotic, undervalued giant into lean, creative, and profitable powerhouse. History shows vision combined with execution often leads to extraordinary returns. Why it matters for stock markets. Billionaire moves like this send ripples across markets. Investor confidence. Bold moves create hope and attract capital. Share price spikes. Markets react positively to credible plans. Long-term growth. If Ellison succeeds, Warner Brothers could generate significant profits. But the stock market rewards execution, not ambition. Ellison's challenge is real. He must deliver. Media industry impact. Ellison's plan could reshape the entertainment industry, compete with Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime, and others, shift the streaming landscape with strategic content releases, revive theatrical releases for blockbuster films, set new standards for IP management and franchise building. For viewers and investors, this isn't just business news, it's a front-row seat to the next media revolution. Lessons for investors. Here's the biggest takeaway. David Ellison didn't wait for permission or perfect timing. He created the moment. Most people hesitate. They wait. They miss opportunities. Ellison's strategy teaches us: act decisively when opportunities appear. Analyze risk versus reward. Think long-term, not short-term. Investing isn't just about stocks. It's about mindset. Should you invest? Now the million-dollar question. Should you invest? Reasons to consider: valuable IPs, DC, HBO, Harry Potter. Proven track record of Ellison as producer and leader. Potential restructuring could boost growth. Reasons to be cautious: Takeover is not finalized. Media and streaming industries are volatile. Competition is fierce globally. Smart investors observe, study, and act strategically when timing is right. Here's the final insight. David Ellison is doing more than a corporate takeover. He's demonstrating a mindset of vision, courage, and timing. For investors, creators, and entrepreneurs, bold moves often create extraordinary opportunities. Acting while others hesitate is the difference between ordinary and exceptional. Study the news, understand the strategy, and prepare to act. Warner Brothers may rise again, the stock market may shift, and you could benefit if you're informed and ready. The lesson is clear. Opportunity favors the bold.